one throw at a time, let's cheer. The rivers will shine, we're on the line. Join the ride, it's our year. Oh, 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 no more rust.
Hello guys, how are we? Yes. We are here today. We're in Cumbran. We've been invited down by, I don't even know the group. What group are they?
Darren Rice.
Darren Rice and
Paul. No, John Paul's not here.
Paul's not here, no. And John
And Lucy.
And Lucy. They invited us down to come down here. We'd like to introduce you all to our newest member of Phoenix Magneteers.
You do it then.
Hello. Hey guys.
He's our John Lloyd, our newest member of Phoenix Magneteers. Oh yes, we've expanded and we've gone international. We're international now, yeah. Come down to Wales. Well, there's a fur shopping trolley out, guys, and there you go, trying to get another one. There's another one there.
Morning. Good morning, guys. Are you back, right? No problem. Sorry.
That's all right. You're fine. Hello, baby.
We're in the Dutch today.
Ah.
Actually, I'll leave it running. It'll make a good entertainment.
Hold.
It's a rider, guys.
Shoulder. On your shoulder. That's it.
There's a spider on me.
Rider. Watch your big, right?
That's all right.
Yeah. As I said, watch your big. The rider, Doc. Hey, Doc. You take that back, don't tell it.
There's John.
Yeah, I've got to get the trolley for Darren.
There's Claire. There's Little John. We can call him Little John. Where's Robin Hood? And 2 more trolleys. This is before I've even thrown a magnet in. We've literally dragged it up that wall, the one trolley, and got it up over into the other car park.
I think we should do our shopping now and B&Q.
Yeah, just take them in, see what they say. Well, they're your trolleys. Look at them. So that's 3 trolleys. And Claire and John, yeah, you probably just spotted it. Claire and Little John have just got that out.
What, this bike?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's a rider.
It's great all around.
Bit of wear.
I'll get stopped by the police riding.
I got a bolt. I got a nut for a bolt.
I think it's aluminium.
It is a rider, just needs a little bit of work doing.
One day when it was a hot bike, I could put the wheels in that on my bike. Yeah.
Try it. It's a rider.
That's Darren wants the way it is.
I ain't got my step ladders, John can't test it.
It's a boot.
I just rode it up the path, it's
Yeah.
alright.
There's
Yeah,
the
but
boots on it, the boots are
There's no weight to you.
Brakes are a little bit loose.
Well, you're going to be losing yours in the water, that
They
one.
do come on the back tyre, but it just doesn't stop.
Well,
Don't sit on the seat for
that
God's
could
sake.
be down to the wetness on them.
Shocks work.
yeah.
That way.
I'm trying to.
Tires are hard. And I said, I'm not fucking going too close. I don't know where the bastard edge is.
I know, we were trying to get there to push him over, but he wouldn't fucking have it.
Are you taking it?
The bank-
Bless you.
Sorry.
I don't think I'm just
Bloody hell. You just slotted all that out, you dirty kid.
Look at it. Oh, look when I get in, see if I'm always subscribed to it.
Well, not you fucking
Double tap.
did. Yes, guys. We are here. Come up here. Everybody's sort of like got stuff out of there. I'm just going to have a play here for a minute. We get stuff out, we get stuff out. We're out to enjoy a hobby. That's what it is at the end of the day, guys. It's a hobby. We enjoy what we do. Ooh, turn that up a little bit. Yeah, that's what it's like. Because this bit is all blocked off. It's all overgrown. Nobody comes down here looking at the barges anymore. Can top. A little hook thing with a chain on it. Tiny ball bearing. And some stones. And 2p. Oh, that was in the undergrowth on the grass right by me. Little still bit of rebar. Yeah, a little padlock, guys. A little nut. Solid.
Another trolley.
Just just to the left of that,
Yeah.
where I am.
Yeah.
I've just stood like out to get it out. When I did there, there's a padlock. It's got a padlock, but there's something else solid
Be a
there.
bike.
Sprung a leak. rod rest. What's your back? And a paintbrush. Sorry?
Drainage survey?
No,
No.
no, magnet fishing.
All right.
Get all the scrap metal out and just take it all away then, or get it taken away by the scrap man.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, there we are. No, I've never seen anybody doing that long ago. The donkeys years ago used to force fish it. I mean, that's when it used to be Guest Keens.
All right.
It used to be all the factories and everything is before.
Right.
So it was probably late 70s.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had a push bike out and 3 trolleys so far. We've got a great. So that, I think they've taken the trolleys back to B&Q.
I know the Cumbrian angling people, when they had it, they did it once. They come down and they had so many trolleys and took them all up, and the manager up there went spare, and they said, well, they're your trolleys.
Yeah, 2 right. That's why
Yeah.
the lads have just took 3 up there too.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, well.
Yeah, so
Yeah, good luck.
flat bottle cap.
Hey, Darren. Right, I think it's a torch and a bit of a can. But whatever that thing is down there, it is bloody heavy and it does not want to budge. So might come back to it later. We'll see.
Don't put yourself at risk.
Just pull it in a bit further.
Yeah, give it a couple of minutes, mate. I'll come and help you. Just leave that.
No fucking risk it now.
What did you get out a minute ago then, John?
Stabby, stabby.
You got stabby out. Right. And we notice how green this is. We get brought to all the best locations. Still trying to get that corrugated sheet out. I'm going to put you on the stand for a bit, guys, and see how we do. We'll see if we can get it out.
Say one thing for Wales. It's very clean in the canals and the rivers.
Magic, which you normally do.
I got a screw.
Multi-tool penknife. That's a bit of a chunk of metal, that's all.
Wales.
Ball bearing. And a little penknife. A little multi-tool penknife. So we'll keep that one. Claire probably do a magic like she normally does. Yeah. Yeah, little multi-tool penknife. Keep that. Bit of plate metal. Or metal plate. Road sign. Bit of angle iron. The canal siding. I don't know, just see me get that out, guys. Probably about 18 to 2 foot long, but a small canal siding out. No, solid.
Solid, is it?
Yeah. 3p.
Darren, the CRT actually
Well-
own the towpath.
Guys, that was a hard day.
Yes.
We had a hard day getting nothing today, but hey, guess what?
Hello.
We're here, look.
We're having a drinky pooze.
Oh yes. So yeah, so we've had a day. We've had a day at it. We've given it a go. You know, you get stuff out. You get stuff out. We don't. You don't. So hey-ho.
We blame Darren. Because I was going to say,
Yeah, we always blame Darren anyway. Of course we do. That's the old bridge. If we can work it out. Well, I said we was coming to see somebody who's been out with us. Meet Captain Pugwash. There's his boat.
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Look at that. There's Squidworth. Yeah, we got Berry in there as well, guys. She's sat in there good as gold. In you go, eh? She's absolutely brilliant. Catch us later. Ta-da.
How many left? Oh, there's a little
Of
bit
course,
left.
there's some left.
Can you get... Hang on.
Oh, for God's sake, look at them lips.
There we go, all done.
Good girl.
Eight. Come on. Eight.
Bruce, come on.
Bruce, you're going to get told off. Come on.
Yes, mate.
Bruce.
Yeah, another duck barge.
Berry boo.
That's nice fucking film, Colin.
Excuse me, can you get out of the car? Come on, Bruce. Come on.
Bruce.
Go on then.
Oh, you are so close to good. Come on.
Good.
Tough job.
Phoenix Magneteers. We're throwing down, yeah. No more fears. From the ashes we rise, strong and true. Cleaning up the rivers, it's what we do. Hey, one throw at a time. We're the heroes of the rivers and rhythm you rhyme. Phoenix Magneteers, we're coming through, bringing life to the waters. Just me and you. Pulling metal from the deep, let's make a change. With every splash, yeah, it's a new range. From the muck we rise, together we shine. Phoenix Magneteers, it's our time.